Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm alongside my team members Abdul Basit and Abdul Wahab. We're here to present our game, Puzzled. So what problem does it solve? Learning through traditional techniques isn't suitable for all children. There are various ways in which an individual retains information. Whether an individual has a visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learning style, we feel as if learning through a game will produce a lower chance of having one burn out. When a child is young, it is hard for them to distinguish and be able to pinpoint exactly how they learn best. Each child is different. If one tries to force a learning style upon them, it leads to frustration and a low chance of content retention. The idea of a game that helps children learn on their own while being entertained is what we've come up with our game, Puzzled.
Moving on, how does Puzzled solve our issue? Well, Puzzled solves the issue of traditional learning techniques by motivating children through entertainment. By masking learning as a game, users are kept fully engaged in the process. The game gives them an opportunity to challenge themselves, but also encourages them to reach the end goal without it feeling like a learning task. Puzzled was also made specifically to cater to individuals who find it hard to focus on their learning or focus in general. This was done by incorporating bright colors, text, buttons, and images that keep users engaged. Also, by giving the user an end goal to work towards, which is completing a puzzle, we can motivate them to continue learning and stay on track.
So how does Puzzled work? We experimented with Android Studio and were able to create a prototype for our app. We split the project into two halves, front-end development and back-end development. The front-end development consists of app activities and imported various resources, including colors, fonts, and images. All our resources were aimed at our demographic, kids to teens. These resources included bright colors, bubbly fonts, and the ULHacks logo. We were able to obtain a puzzle image of the ULHacks logo by splitting it into 4 separate parts later to be used in the backend. We used animations for the splash screens and the gradient animated background. We made our buttons big and easy to read along with the rest of the UI. For our backend development, we used the on-click listener, intents, arrays, if-else statements, and much more. We made a separate class full of arrays of hard-coded questions, answers, and images to be imported to the main class. Within the main class, we included an update method that updates all text, images, and counters needed for the next question. Finally, by using on-click listener and if statements, when the user clicks the correct answer, they will be prompted with the statement, correct. A piece will be added to the puzzle, and then the next question will be displayed. Otherwise, they will be prompted to try again, and will have to keep on trying before proceeding. There is also a quick home button to exit the activity. Obviously, this seems easier said than done, but as developers, we ran into lots of bugs during this process that needed to be fixed.
So here's our app Puzzled. Once you click the app, you're greeted by the animated splash screen. From there, you're taken to the main menu, which has 3 different difficulties: easy, medium, and hard. For this demonstration, we'll choose easy. In theory, the other 2 difficulties would have harder questions and bigger puzzles, along with the possibility for other subjects. Here, we are presented with one piece of the puzzle alongside a question and 4 different options, as well as a home button. This home button will take you to the home screen, as shown here. So if you click the wrong option, you will be prompted to try again. And if you click the right one, you will gain a puzzle piece. Once the puzzle is completed, you will go back to the home screen. I'll demonstrate this now. So that was our game Puzzled. Thanks for watching.